Hello student, Ikra Primary English Medium School, Un Surat Branch, Standard 3rd Subject Environmental Studies, Chapter number 6, name Food We Eat, Teacher name Samrin Serali. Let's get started. Lesson number 6, Foods We Eat. In this chapter we will study about food. So food play a very important part in the extent of all living things. These chapters deal with the same. So in first picture you can see last night I ate a chapati made of a bajra with jaggery. Jaggery means gur. In second I cooked dal and rice. Third, yesterday no food was cooked in my house. Fourth, my mother cooked fish. I ate lots of it. It was really tasty. In fifth, my mother brought noodles for us from the house where she worked. We enjoyed eating it. In sixth picture, Ammi had cooked kheer and puri, which I don't like, so I eat an omelette instead. In seventh, I went to the Gurudwara with my grandmother for the langar. We eat dal and chapati. So you must have noticed that in the picture there is one child in whose house no food was cooked. What could be the reason? So there could be many reasons behind this. Maybe the child mother or whose ever cooked food at home was not keeping well the previous day, or maybe the family is poor and could not be afford meal at all times. So now let's start about Vipul's family. So in Vipul's family, there are some members who do not eat what Vipuls eat. Do you think these people do not eat or cannot eat what Vipuls eat? So here is a question mark. While returning home from school, Vipul bought a bhutta. Bhutta means corn cob. So Vipul bought a bhutta, that is a corn cob. We all know what is bhutta. So now he reached home and asked his mother, "Where is Chutki? I want to see her." So he was looking for Chutki. So his mother replied, "Chutki is in the room upstairs." Vipul catch his grandmother's hand and said, "You also come upstairs with me." His mother stopped him. "I have soaked bas chapati in dal. Let her first have her meal." So you can see that Vipul's mother called her grandmother as Ba. As Vipul was taking her upstairs with him, his mother he stopped him and said, "I have soaked bas chapati in dal. Let her have a meal first." Now why do you think she soaked bas chapati in dal? To make it soft, as grandmother is very old and she might not be having teeth, so it will be easier for her to eat. Have you put sugar in the dal after coming to Nagpur? You have forgotten our own way of making food, said Dadi to Vipul's mother. So grandmother in required to Vipul's mother to has she put sugar in the dal and said, "After coming to Nagpur you have forgotten own ways of making food." So in Nagpur we know now that people are add sugar in dal. So she said, "When you have come from Nagpur, you have forgotten our tradition way of cooking." "I have tasted the dal, it has been prepared well," replied Vipul's mother. Vipul picked up his grandmother's plate and ran upstairs. He asked her to follow him quickly. Now, when the grandmother inquired whether she has put sugar in the dal or not, Vipul's mother replied that she has tasted the dal, it has been prepared well. So Vipul picked up his grandmother's plate and ran upstairs. He asked her to follow him quickly. "When I was your age, I could run up hills in the same way, in same time," Dadi said. So now Dadi was very old. As Vipul ran upstairs, she said that her young age she could also run, but now she was very old. Now Vipul gave the bhutta he was eating to his mommy, washed his hand and lifted a little Chutki. Suddenly Chutki started crying. "She is hungry," said mommy. She sat down to feed Chutki. Now what happened? Vipul's run upstairs was a small there was a small sister Chutki. He gave his bhutta to mommy. He washed his hand to ensure that he was clean. Suddenly Chutki started crying. Mommy said that maybe Chutki is hungry and sat down to feed Chutki. So here three friends are talking. Let's see what are they talking about. So let us talk to some people and know what they like to eat. So in first picture, I live in Hong Kong. My mother and I both love to eat snacks. Whenever we feel like eating snacks, we go to the nearby hotel and eat ling hufan. In second, I live in Kashmir. I like fish cooked in mustard oil. Once we had gone to Goa, we ate fish there, but it tastes very different. My mother said that it was a sea fish cooked in coconut oil. It had to be different. In third, I live in Kerala. I really like to eat two things. Both grow in our courtyard. One grow on a tall tree and the other underground. It is great to eat boiled topika with any curry made using coconut. It tastes very good. Thank you.